Hey guys, so welcome to the Hangry Hubster YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us. So we're here at China Republic today. We're celebrating my father-in-law's 75th birthday. So we'll show you the inside and we'll show you what we order. And again, we'll give you some ratings on the food and the atmosphere of the restaurant. Yeah, so have a happy Sunday and thank you for joining us. Hey guys, so we're still waiting for our table. They said it's going to be about 30 minutes. The restaurant is pretty full right now. We did not make any reservation, but they take reservations for 8 or more parties. We're waiting for our table. Ordered some yang chow, fried rice, Singapore style noodles, a whole Peking Duck, Mapo Tofu, eggplant, shumai, steamed pork buns and some chicken feet, and salt and pepper pork chop. So we'll show you the order when we get it. Stay tuned. So that's the Singapore style noodles, rice noodles. We got the Mapo Tofu, the Szechuan style eggplant. We got the shumai, the salt and pepper pork chop, and another yang chow. And then we have the Mongolian beef. And we got the steamed barbecue pork bun coming and the chicken feet. And we are almost ready to order.
Peking Duck.
And we are still waiting for our Peking Duck. So there's the steamed pork bun, barbecue pork bun. I got some yang chow, the salt and pepper pork chop, the eggplant, and shumai. So we're gonna go ahead and start tasting the food. We ordered a lot, and they're all looks very yummy and good. So we'll go ahead and start tasting them. So let's go try this yang chow fried rice. So let's try. The yang chow fried rice, shrimp, carrots, green peas, egg. Crunchy. Really tender and juicy. Some chili oil. Mapo Tofu. Try the shumai. Some chili oil.
A few moments later.
So we're gonna go ahead and try the Peking Duck. Put some skin
On the bun.
on the bun, and then put some of the meat. And I don't normally like duck, but this one from here, it's pretty good. So I definitely want to put some of this chives. And some hoisin sauce. And this sauce I like, kind of sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. It's really good. So the wifester is making her Peking duck bun. She got the skin, the duck, what's that, chives?
Chives.
Look at that.
So good.
Last bite. Barbecue pork butt.
Yummy.
So juicy. And the bun is so soft.
Binili si David niya ka ng aeroplano eh. Hindi binubuksan na Nag-alvin.
I love the fact
Darating iPad mo mamaya.
here at China Republic to celebrate my dad's birthday, 75th. To my dad, happy birthday.
Well, that was really good. So overall, the food is very good. Everything came out fast, fresh,
Yeah, and hot,
Yeah.
fresh, and
from the kitchen. The yang chow is good. 5 on the yang chow. Mapo tofu was spicy. It's good.
try that.
Student.
I give that a 5 too. The shumai, 5. The barbecue pork bun, 5. And the Peking Duck, the star of the show, that's a 5 always. We've gotten that here a number of times. We ordered that, so we give that a 5, and it's always good. They're very consistent with that. Mongolian beef, didn't really like it. It was kind of on the salty side, a 4, but the beef was tender. Salt and pepper pork chop, that was good. Seasoned well, crispy, juicy on the inside, 5 on that. And beef, really liked it. My brother and my friend and my dad, they said it was kind of seasoned, I don't know, differently than what they're used to. That's a 3 on that one. The Singapore rice noodles, that's very good. That's a 5 on that. I think that's it. So, but overall service and everything, and the food, the wait, it was half an hour, but it was pretty busy on a Sunday, and we're right next to a church. That's not bad, half an hour waiting. Overall, we're giving this experience a 4.5? 4.5 because of some of the food, but overall, ambience, service, staff, everything's like fast, friendly, portion. So, yeah. So thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.